Hey everyone, welcome back to Pantry Perspectives. It's Aaliyah here.
And Adelaide checking in. We've got a fun topic today. Butler's Pantries.
Can't wait to dive in.
Me neither. Can you believe how Butler's Pantries have evolved over the years?
Oh, totally. From being exclusive in grand mansions to now popping up in everyday homes.
Right? It's amazing.
But some people still think you need a huge kitchen to have one.
Uh huh.
That's not true at all. Even small spaces can accommodate a pantry with the right design. One's just
Interesting point.
like my client Sarah. Remember her?
Refresh my memory.
She had this tiny kitchen and was convinced a pantry was out of the question.
Uh huh.
So we got creative. First, we decluttered big time.
Music to my ears.
I thought you'd approve. Oh,
Definitely.
then we utilized vertical space with wall mount shelves
Oh, I love that idea.
and added pull out drawers in her existing cabinets.
That's smart.
It completely changed her kitchen experience.
Did she find it practical in the end?
Absolutely. She started cooking more and felt less stressed.
That's what I like to hear.
See, a little creativity goes a long way.
Agreed, but sometimes people go overboard.
Like who?
Well, Bob's infamous escape room pantry comes to mind.
I knew you'd bring that up.
Can you blame me?
It's a brilliant idea.
It's something else,
Come on, it's fun.
sure, but is it practical to solve a puzzle just to get your cereal?
Fair point, but he loves it.
I guess that's what matters.
Exactly.
But for most folks, functionality is key.
True, but why not add a touch of whimsy?
Depends on your definition of whimsy.
Hey, okay, Miss Practical.
Hey, I like fun too.
Really? What fun feature would you add?
Maybe a hidden coffee station.
Oh, that's a good one.
Fresh coffee at the push of a button.
Now who's being indulgent?
Guilty.
See, we all have our things.
You're right.
So, any budget friendly tips for our listeners?
Absolutely. Start by decluttering
Agreed.
and use clear containers for storage.
Love that.
Don't underestimate good lighting.
Right. It makes a huge difference.
And a fresh coat of paint can transform a space.
Definitely.
Have you tried peel and stick tiles as a backsplash?
Oh, that's a great idea.
It's affordable and adds a nice touch.
I might try that myself.
Let me know how it goes.
Well, do.
By the way, if you could add any feature to your pantry, what would it be?
Maybe a spice rack that doubles as a chalkboard.
Oh, that's clever.
Oh, yeah, I could jot down grocery needs as I go.
I like it.
What about you?
A small baking station with all my essentials.
Nice. Always ready to whip up something sweet.
Exactly.
See, personalization is key.
Totally.
So, listeners, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes. What's your dream pantry feature?
Share your ideas with us.
We can't wait to hear them.
Any final thoughts?
Just that making your space your own is so important.
Agreed. It can really enhance your daily life.
Well said.
Thanks.
Well, I think that wraps it up.
Indeed.
Until next time on Pantry Perspectives.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye, everyone.